so loud. But it's pretty. It's way more pretty in real life, though, than on camera. Wow. It's so cool. And you can see the smoke, which is really cool. Right?
You didn't see it earlier?
See
when
what?
you were breathing?
Oh, you can see your breath when you breathe. That's cool. I'm never gonna personally light up my own firework.
Pass my red and black over there.
Red and black what?
Look at the box.
Oh, this one? I think you should shake it out.
Take it out.
Oh, look, they're letting more off. Whoa. Whoa, they're so close. Look at the airplane, it's very close. Do we live near an airport?
Yes, we do.
I didn't know that. They have so many. You can like see them on the floor. They like open a new can of worms every time. It's cold-ish. My hands are cold.
It's crazy, lady.
I need gloves. It's just my fingers and feet that get cold, not the rest of my body.
Turn on the light yet? Because of the lights?
No, I got scared. And also, I don't have any light. I did.
You did?
I plugged them in. Whoa. That's so cool. What was the last time we lit up our own fireworks?
Since we lived here.
Hmm?
Since we lived here.
Oh.
They got first year here. Yeah, first or second year here.
I had a dream where someone threw a firecracker in a car and it exploded.
Recently?
Yeah.
Or that old dream?
Recently. I have weird dreams. That's why I'm afraid of fireworks. Because what if one just decides it wants to hit you in the gut? Where are you going? Okay. Hey, Lena. Hey, Lena, I hope you enjoy the fireworks. They're really cool here. Maybe next New Year you can come down and watch. It's really nice. But my hands are freezing. They're blowing up, Mama. Whoa. I like all the fireworks around this part. And look at the moon. It's so bright today, but it's even more beautiful in person. Who the hell are you? Why you going outside, y'all? What you doing? Mommy, they were on.
I know, I saw.
I wonder what happened. Whoa. Shit, is Bro driving backwards? Whoa. So much noise.
I got you.
Little puff of smoke.
Huh?
Little puff of smoke just flying away.
Yeah, because there's something going off that way too.
Yeah. Personally, I'll never be ready enough to set off a firework by myself.
Yeah, no, I can't.
Are they good?
Yeah, they just want to watch.
Oh, they were driving backwards for like 5 minutes. I was very confused / concerned.
Yeah, you're straight.
Yeah, I just want to watch. Thank you.
No worries.
What? Oh, there's another one going off. Yeah, but the screen only records that way, so I'm just setting off more.
Okay.
That hurt my ears. They hurt my ears.
They do?
They hurt my ears.
I said they do.
Yeah.
Love it.
There's so many pretty colors.
Huh?
There's so many pretty colors. We're gonna have a bunch of people parked outside of our
No, I
house.
just need them to slow down so they don't run over the stuff. He went right down the middle.
You could have drove over it.
No, he just had to move all the way over.
People need to pay attention, sort of.
That car needs to slow down.
Yeah, because they could have drove all the way through them, and that would have been sort of dangerous. There's a lot of fireworks happening over here. I feel like there should be an easier spot to set off fireworks where the cars don't drive by, right?
But you set them off in front of your house because
Putting them off inside
somebody else's house.
is sort of rude, because what if they're trying to get somewhere?
Mm-hmm.
Then they can't leave. What about their
That's
neighbors?
gonna be a pretty one.
Am I gonna get some? Whoa! Whoa! That one was awesome.
That one came down fast.
Yeah. The runaway.
It was a little.
I wanna run away.
I wanna go home.
It's so pretty. I like the moon, really. Where'd it go? Have you ever lost the moon? Me too. I
lost it
wanna
while we were
run
driving.
away. Hey, 'cause you and I. Bye.
Water and watch 'em.
I wish they had a big show near us of fireworks that we could go to.
You like Disney?
Oh yeah.
Or SeaWorld?
Oh yeah. We're very close to both of those. So
They had them also at Lakefront Park.
exactly.
Huh?
Exactly. At a park where you could like set down blankets.
But to get there,
You have to like drive.
you have to drive early.
The car sounds funny.
It sounds like fireworks on its own.
Yeah.
But he just did it.
Whoa. Wow. I like how they fall down.
Like
Look.
cascade.
Yeah. They have a lot of fireworks. They're probably going to be going for a long time.
Is the flashlight still up?
It's 12:21. Yeah, it's still on. It's almost time to watch the ball drop. Whoa. There's a lot happening behind our house, too.
Always.
Yeah, there's always a lot happening over there. It would be fun to like have a fireworks show back there, but there's trees and it would probably catch on fire.
In the middle of the lawn.
Yeah, and be like, everybody scatter, the trees are on fire! But good thing there's like a lake-ish thing. It's sort of like an indent in the middle, but when it rains, it turns into a lake.
It could collect water.
Yeah, it does collect water, just not for that long. Can you hold? My hands are cold.
So you stop recording. That's always an option. Do you pause? You don't pause recording?
How do I pause? Oh, yeah, I can do that. Well, purple, pink, yellow, boom, boom, boom. I think they might have went inside. No, they're just hiding behind the trucks. A lot of trucks.
There's plenty more.
Can we go down there?
Where?
To the skirt.
Comfy reading on stuff.
Okay, we can stay there. Oh yeah, we can stay there. We can stay there. Yeah, we can stay there. Oh, can I sit in the seat and watch? Can I like sit and watch?
No.
Please?
No.
Why not? Mommy, I can't feel my fingers.
So it's time to go inside. I know that you don't want to, but that's what that means. I have my hands in my pockets. I have my hands in my pockets.
Yeah, but my pockets aren't warm. That's why I want to sit in the car, because it has heating.
We're not turning on the car, so it's still gonna be cold.
Okay, yeah, but it has seats.
So this is my couch inside the house.
Yeah, but your couch is boring. It doesn't have good entertainment besides whoever that was on the TV doing
I get it.
doing that. It was annoying. It was boring. Oh, I flipped it.
Oh, so they got the dance?
Whoa, that one was sick. Is that the ice cream truck?
Oh, it's there.
I want the ice cream truck.
It's there.
No, listen.
Huh? It's there. Their lights. Their lights having music to it.
Sounds like the ice cream truck, but you suit you, old lady.
You wanna know how I know?
How?
Because I've sat here and was like, what is that?
Why is there an ice cream truck coming right now?
Why is anything coming right now?
Time's waiting, not
Oh,
so
that's
far.
gonna be a big one. That's gonna be a big one. Girl, you're pulling up a blanket. It's gonna be a big one.
It's gonna be a big one.
There she blows.
Whoa.
You trying to get shorter than me?
Yes. You do not understand how close we are to this. It is terrifying.
It's only 200, right? Why are you moving me?
Because you're one.
Stop shaking. You're dancing on me.
No. It's fun.
No, you're making me cold.
People say that motion causes you to cause warmth. So
You trying to say warm? I don't get cold.
I'm staying in motion. I don't get cold.
I don't get cold.
My hands get cold. The rest of my body is already numb. Exactly. Not getting cold means either my body isn't cold or it's numb. Huh. So how about that, Cheryl? I don't know who Cheryl is.
I don't know who Cheryl is either.
You should learn who Cheryl is. I'm not sure which one you're looking. I'm not sure which camera it's looking from, but you'll be fine. We didn't talk about that, Mama. You got it? Of course.
Alright, there she blows.
Wow. Well, the way the car headlights shine through the smoke is awesome.
Come on, show us that same car again.
Oh. They have a lot more, but I'm cold. We can go inside now.
Alright, let's go.
That was fun.
You want to see what the next thing is just in case?
Yeah, just in case it's like bigger and better. Look at the stars. There's so many. Which constellation is that, Mommy?
Yeah, which one?
One of them? Well, there's a big star, so I think it's Dipper.
That is the Dipper.
See? I knew those sticky things from Kiki's would work out. I can't feel my toe.
Can't feel your what?
I can't feel my toe anymore. Like
Go
actually.
outside.
Oh,
Go.
oh, I can see theirs. Happy New